Hey, thank you guys for coming out today on this beautiful afternoon. We have a couple Cyclones here made by Orec America. One has the agricultural tires on this, and we have the all-terrain tracks here. There isn't much difference between the two except the transmission shift is down here on the wheeled model and up here on the track model. Both mowers go through brush in first gear, heavy, thick brush where you have obstacles of visibility where you can't really see you want to go in first gear. Second gear is where we have intermittent heavy brush and you can see clearly and move forward. Third gear for transportation to and from your starting point, and open wide grass areas where you can see fully clear. Stepping back here to the track mower, you can see how much footprint you have with this, and in loamy, sandy soil, that will carry you through anything. This will show you how far you can go on a slope. You can go to the 25 degrees, and then after that, you're gonna have to get it back on more even ground. There we're at the 4-inch height, and now we're down, going down. Here's 3 inches, and there's your 2-inch. Throttle is right here, and to engage the blade, it's down with this guard and up with this, and it will lock in position, and away you go mowing.
And this is get you going forward.
That's going to move you forward. That's your powertrain right there going forward. Yep.
And you can go in reverse?
Yep. 1 speed reverse, 3 forward. Okay, here in the front we have the knockdown bar, which knocks down standing saplings, lays them flat, and then sucks them in like spaghetti dog. It's just, I've never seen it, a 20-foot sapling, and it went through, came out the other end, and there was nothing but mulch. It was nothing to trip on, nothing to get, worked up about. It is just absolutely a dream.